Hello and welcome to VGK Project. In this session we will show you how to create a new schedule from a template. First we'll go to Schedule Planning and find our project. Each project has just one schedule. Once it's created it can be modified, but you won't be able to recreate it. So to be able to create a schedule from a template, your project should not already have a schedule. Locate your project and click on the row. You'll be prompted with the screen that allows you to create a schedule for your project. If you don't specify any template and use the Select button, an empty schedule will be created. But for now we want to choose our template. So we go through the type and then choose the template itself. You can review the template by double-clicking on its label. So a template contains a complete project schedule. All the items are already defined and the links are already established. Dependents and duration already set, as well as the budget. When you create a schedule from a template, the template's information will be copied straight into your schedule. Even if the template closely matches your current project, most likely the size of the project and template will be different. So you can adjust the resulting schedule by several factors, and then it can match your project. We'll look at these factors later and just confirm our choice with Select. So this schedule was created from the template. All items have been copied. Predecessors, dependents, links and duration has already been set. You can also visualize these results by using a Gantt chart. Let's take a closer look at the schedule items that were imported from the template. So in addition to basic information, other information is transferred, like the job link type, and the budget is already established. If we take a look at activities, we can also see that the man hours were also set. In fact, each schedule item has several components that define the item's work scope. To have a better understanding of how a template is reused, and examine the template in more detail. So as we mentioned already, a template is a complex project schedule containing all schedule items and entered into the calendar. A template also has several components, which are set for the schedule items, and these components define the work scope for each item. They can also be imported into our schedule. If you note that when a template is selected, some important information becomes available for editing. There are 4 types of components available: activities, subcontractors, materials, and equipment. By ticking or unticking these boxes, you can choose which components to import into the schedule from a template. In addition, you can import job links and the budget target amount. Through the factors, you can set the conversion ratio. To get a schedule that has the best match to your project's needs, you can alter the conversion factors. The duration factor is used to calculate the item's durations, the budget factor is used to adjust the planned budgets, and the main factor is used to calculate the amount of materials, the planned man hours, and your budget for subcontractors. When a template is selected, the program sets suggested factors for you. The suggested factors are calculated using the primary characteristics of the template and project, including the budget, duration, and the main size parameter, the number of units or square foot in our example, and these are set when the template is developed. The project size, budget and duration are set through the project revision. For your template, the duration is determined as the total schedule of durations, and the budget as a sum of the schedule item budgets. The target values are listed in the third column. When you set a target value, the program will calculate a conversion factor for it. By choosing your components and setting the conversion factors, you will get a schedule that closely matches the needs of your project. Let's take another look at the schedule that's created from using this template. We will look at the schedule item details. When we imported our template, item components were also imported into our schedule. Quantities and amounts were adjusted using factors that we set during the importing process. In fact, using a template, we get complete schedule information, including a detailed work scope for each schedule item. When a schedule is imported from a template, lots of information is added to your schedule. So don't forget to save your schedule. You will be able to edit your schedule later and refine it to match your exact project requirements. A few more things about using these templates. Utilizing templates is a very powerful technique which can transform your project planning. By developing several templates for the different types of projects that you work with, you will create a solid foundation for future efficient planning. You will be able to create new templates from the existing schedules by converting a schedule into a template. And you can also use existing templates to make a new one. Templates can be edited in a similar way to schedules, and you can adjust them to meet your different needs. This method means that you can refine and develop templates using your past experience, which allows you to develop increasingly efficient templates for the future. So let's recap this session. Through using VGK templates, you will quickly and efficiently create a new schedule. With templates, you will import complete schedules, a detailed work scope and budget. Using the available factors, you will be able to adjust the importing process to get a result closely matching your project's needs. A schedule, when imported from a template, provides a solid foundation to quickly develop a comprehensive plan for your project. In the next session, we will examine VGK Budget, the automated budget calculation feature, and show you our efficient way to set reliable budget targets. Thank you for choosing VGK Project. You can learn more about our products at www.vgksolutions.com.